Hey everyone, this right here is the Suness 36 watt electric aquarium vacuum gravel cleaner. This thing has pretty much everything that you're gonna need to vacuum up that gravel in your aquarium. Let's kind of open this up and see everything that it comes with. So here's everything inside, and first things first, of course, you get the user manual, which tells you how to use it and shows you everything that you get. Here is some tubing and all of the other little parts and bits. And so I'm gonna put everything together real quick and then show you how it works. Okay, so this is the cleaner fully assembled. This is actually the end that goes into your fish tank right here, and they give you 4 attachments to put on the end. You have this one really long tube here. There's also a kind of like a little bit of filter in the top here as well. You have this kind of little guy here, it's more of like a medium-sized one. Then this almost looks like a part of a mini vacuum right here, and then you get this really small one, and I think the small one is what I'm going to be using. I have a smaller size fish tank, so this is probably going to be my go-to. And to attach it, simply just put it on the end here. Fits in like so, easy peasy. This is ready to go. So the water is going to travel up. This is kind of the handle up here, but the water is going to go into this, and this is actually a multi-layered filter, which is fantastic. So that does a whole bunch of different things. Actually, it says right here that the filter itself is basically activated carbon, also has bio balls and a filter sponge, and this does a whole bunch of different great stuff here. You can read that in the manual. Really fantastic, looks to be really good for the water and the fish tank itself. You can also detach this part to clean the filter, which is fantastic. They give you a little bit of extra filter here that you can kind of use as well, which is convenient, and also some suction cups. Say if you have like a larger tank, that's pretty convenient too. So they provide you everything that you need to get this going and put it together. And putting it together was really easy. Took me like 5 minutes. This of course plugs into an outlet, and then you have your controller here, which is how you manage basically how you want to use this. So you have basically the on and off button here. You have a timer. Now the S is the kind of lowest power mode, and then the M is the medium power mode, and then the L is kind of like the large power mode, if you will. Now I'm going to stick with the S again, just because I have a really small tank and I don't need a lot of power in there. And now for the tube itself that attaches on the end, it's up to you if you want to just kind of get rid of the water that's being sucked through this. For me, I'm probably going to just having it basically siphoned back into the tank. It's the same water, except now it's just filtered, so that's pretty great. So a lot of great stuff there, really functional. Let's go actually try this out. All right, and my decoration already looks so much better. There are a couple of straggling pieces on the front. I need to come back in and make sure I get those, but for the most part, it did a really good job, and I'm very happy with it. On a quick side note, I did receive this product for free to make this video. However, that does not affect my opinion or what I say about this product whatsoever. I'm genuinely really impressed with this aquarium cleaner. I highly recommend it, and thank you so much for watching.